Hey everybody, I'm here with another video and it's time to show this hair some TLC. So if you want to see the steps that I take and the products that I use from one of my favorite brands, stay tuned. So I finished shampooing and conditioning my hair. If you've seen my previous wash day routine, you know that I detangle in the shower and I install chunky flat twists just to keep it detangled until it's time for me to style. So that's what we're getting ready to do, is style my hair. I have these chunky flat twists. I'm gonna go ahead and take them down and then we will get started with the styling process. Okay, my twists are out. My hair is still wet, but I do have my water bottle because I want to make sure that it's nice and saturated as I'm styling my hair. So now it's time to go ahead and get styling. I'm going to do a really cute roller set. So I'm just going to take my hair and divide it into smaller sections. These are the rollers. I'm going to be using these old school, handy dandy, never fail rollers. We're going to be using those. And so for this style, I'm going to be using the extra butter and the Curly Magic. And that's it, just those two products. I'm starting with the extra butter. I'm gonna take a nice dime-size amount and apply that from roots to ends. And just make sure that it's massaged through. Then I'll take my Curly Magic, just a pump of that, and we'll massage that through, making sure it's nice and smooth. Use my detangling brush to comb that through. And my roller. And there we go. So I'm going to go ahead and finish. We're going to do this for the remainder of my hair and I will come back and show you how it looks once it's set. Okay, so I am all set. I just need to let these dry. I'm likely going to sit under my dryer so that it helps to speed up the drying process. I will be back at Takedown.
All right, everybody, it is time for Takedown. I am so excited to see these results. I am going to use Shining Star, which is available online at unclefunkystarter.com. You can use my discount code Sumetra for 15% off. For the styling products I use, the great thing is it's available at Target in the travel size kit, so that way you can try the products before you buy the full size products. And again, you can purchase the full size products online, Uncle Funky's Daughter, and then use discount code Sumetra for 15% off. Now that all of my rollers have been removed, I'm going to do some separation and light fluffing. I am not going to use any tools. I am simply going to use my fingers to further separate and lift, and look at these gorgeous curls. My hair is absolutely soft. I love the soft hold. It's not crunchy. Here are the finished results, you guys. This look is absolutely perfect for my girls' night out. Let me know what you think, and if you're going to try this style, leave a comment in the comment section below. I cannot wait to hear your feedback. As always, thank you so much for watching. Love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye!